welcome to Barry's Cleaners and Launderers, your go-to laundry service for any dry cleaning that you may need. Founded in 1952, we provide our services in New London, Connecticut and the surrounding areas. We specialize in garment cleaning, linen, comforters, alterations, and much more. We also have expertise in cleaning suede and leather. With a knowledgeable and committed team, we strive for excellence and provide quality services. As a business that specializes in cleaning, we value prolonging the life of every article of clothing for each load of laundry, making sure that you get the most of every dollar spent with us. For more information, call 860-447-8220 or stop by our website. We are open weekdays from 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. So stop by today. We look forward to servicing you.